I was 17 when my mother disappeared.
Mom?
One day she was there, cleaning, making dinner, and the next...
she's gone.
Hundreds of wives go missing every week.
Are you saying there's nothing we can do?
I recommend you alert your friends, your neighbors, tell them to be on the lookout.
Don't you wonder where she is? I mean, she's got to be somewhere, right?
I'm worried about you, Kat. It's too much to deal with on your own.
Do you miss her?
No, not really.
You know, the time when I was your age doesn't seem so far away to me.
Such a fucking rebel.
Welcome back, stranger.
Done and done.
I'm here, Kat.
And I assume you haven't heard from your mother.
My mother's gone. She's never coming back.